Hello and welcome to Sam Architect YouTube channel. In this video I will show you some useful tips in Photoshop that will help you edit your drawings or move inside the project and edit it. Okay, now let's go to the drawing. Let's say that you want to zoom in. As we said in the previous videos, you can just Control plus and zoom in. Okay, and if you want to move the drawing easily without using these bars, you can just go to the hand tool, which is here. You can just move it, or if you're using another tool like move tool and you want, like, let's say we're moving this and you want now to move down and you don't want to use this bar, you can just click the bar in your keyboard, space bar. You can hold it and move down, and when you remove your hand from the space bar, it will be gone and you are back to the tool. Okay, now the selection tool, we also I think we experimented the selection tool. There's also this magic tool, magnetic tool. Okay, you can use it. It detects the edges of the element. Let's use it, try it, but you need to move slowly. Okay, and it's selected. Let's say we selected like I just need this part. I don't need it till the end. Okay, and I want to deselect. You can do one thing. You can just hold the Alt, okay, and select this area that you don't need. Okay, and it will be deselected. Let's say you want to add it. Okay, you can hold Shift. You see the plus. Okay, and go again and select it. Okay, and it's selected again. Okay, you can go to the move and move it. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I'm not I'm not on the right layer. Now I can move it. Okay, Control Z to undo, or you can copy it while holding Alt. You can just move and it's copied. Control Z. Okay, and that's it. There is also this polygonal, which is like a little bit similar, but you have to, it doesn't detect the edges. You have to select. Where is it? Sorry. Okay, let's say that we want this one, so it's like straight lines. You can keep holding the Shift button to keep the straight line. Okay, and that's it, the same thing. Okay, there's this magic wand which selects one area. You can just click on this area. It selects only one area and you can move it, for example, or you can fill it with the color that you want. Okay, you see, Control Z. That's the magic wand is really useful. We will use it in another video to add skies to sections and elevations. And I think that's it for this video, and I hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tell me what you think in the comments.